TikTok is a wild world, and I want to invite you to play in that world with me. My name is Liz Brown, Realtor Daily, and I've been making TikToks every day for 3.5 years. Every single day, like a wild animal, because I don't know if you knew this about me, I'm a cheetah. It's true. My necklace is a lion, and I personally am a cheetah. It makes no sense. Neither does TikTok. I'm here to just walk through what's working right now on TikTok. I know that sometimes when you're making these videos, you're thinking, why am I only getting 200 views while other people are getting 1 million views? Like, this doesn't make any sense. I'm showing up, I'm being consistent, I'm doing all the things the world tells me to do, but I'm still not getting the results. I'm still not getting the leads. I'm still not getting conversions. And I'm just tired of making the videos, Liz. Well, let me help you make some money using TikTok. That sounds fun, right? Now, next week, I'm doing a 3-day video challenge where we're going to talk about just this, which is the 3 to 5 videos that you need to have on your account. And let me give you those just really quick. A, home seller, home buyer, local expert, who are you, and how to market your listing. You're welcome in advance for those. You need to be making videos about those 5 things. Now, let's just take a little journey to my account so I can break down a few things, what's working, what's not working, so you can understand what goes on in my brain, and so you can kind of copy the same thing too. Well, first things first, you can see at the top here, I have these playlists, and the playlists are full of tips and tricks that I want you to go look at. When you go to my profile on the phone, it looks very similar. It's always going to be right underneath my face, my profile, my link, and then underneath that, there'll be little rectangles, and those are the playlists. So if you look at the playlist, you're always going to be able to find tips, tricks, things to help you out for free. Now, these videos, I posted this video this morning. And then I posted this one yesterday. And this one was talking about editing videos. So yesterday I posted 1, 2, 3 videos. The day before that, I posted 1, 2, 3 videos. So I'm posting 3 to 4 videos a day. And I always at least post 1 video a day for consistency, right? So the idea here is to show up every single day. Now, let me break down a few more things. This video today, I made a year ago. A year ago today, it pops up. And so I just added a simple little edit down here, and I added a different caption, right? We made this video. So that video we made at the TikTok Ladies Retreat that we do every year. And those women, it's broker agnostic. So they came from all over the country. They were all active on TikTok, and we made fun TikToks together. So I used that same video this year. I guarantee it'll get more views this year than it got last year, because my account is bigger and people are used to watching and they're used to engaging with me. So I get more views on the old videos versus the new videos. So then let's break down yesterday.
You need to know this about editing your video so it's faster. How you push the record button and then you push it again and you're filming your video in little clips. So then you can go back and edit them and adjust clips. Well, when you're in the adjust clips and you're watching your video over again and you say something silly and you're thinking to yourself, now I have to film the whole damn thing over again, you don't. So here's what you do. You go into adjust clips and you find the little piece that isn't right. You push and hold it down and it highlights it. And then underneath, you look for the thing that says replace. And you can film just that little piece, not the whole video again. How do I know? My name's Liz. I'm here to help you with video. Would you like to come to my 3-day video challenge? It's happening next week. You can buy. Hope to see you there. You need to know this about Dear TikTok. Can we talk?
So yesterday I made 3 separate videos, right? That video I'm talking to real estate agents and business owners, right? So if you watch the video that I made before this video, we talked about knowing who you're speaking to in your videos. I was talking to real estate agents who I want to help make videos better. The video before that, when we were dancing, again, I'm talking to real estate agents because that's who I want to talk to in this world. This video is I'm talking to the world.
We talk about why we don't have a spell check in our caption. Is that just you messing with me every single day? Because you know that I have such bad ADD and maybe I dropped out of first grade and had to go back to first grade and spelling really isn't my thing. And I rely on spell check every day of my life. You're messing with me? Dear TikTok.
So that video is a short little 15-second video. It's funny, it's cute, it's light, and guess what? People engage with that kind of stuff, right? Like, look at all the comments in here, and they happen to mostly be real estate agents, who is what I want to talk to.
Where did TikTok go? And can we bring her back? I went on my For You page, and everyone wanted to sell me something this morning, and I was like, what the f***? And I found this guy. more of that on TikTok and less of you selling me jeans and supplements and real estate. I know I even sell real estate. I'm fully aware I'm part of the problem here, but like, can we get back to our roots? Where did TikTok?
Can we get back to our roots? So those videos, you're thinking to yourself, Liz, we're not talking about real estate much. Are we not? So I'm going to talk about real estate, and I'm going to talk around real estate because I am talking to real estate agents and home buyers and sellers. So in that video, I'm talking to the world, right? Well, 1,957 people so far have watched that video, and lots of people have commented on it. Yes, lots of my followers happen to be real estate agents, but there's all kinds of other people in there that can relate to this because TikTok has become QVC, right? Everyone can relate to that. Spell check, haha, real estate agents have a hard time focusing. That's funny. I'm helping, I'm adding value in this video. And this one's just light and funny, and it's attracting real estate agents who are on TikTok who likes to make videos. Now let's get down to Liz. I don't want to talk to real estate agents. I just want to talk to home buyers and sellers. Great. This is the video for you.
A seller who understood the assignment. Feel free to open all the cabinets, they said. Oh, so I did. And then I did again. And then there kept being notes like it was a treasure hunt. Look at this drawer. Another one, not an ordinary cabinet. What? What could be in here? Oh, it's a lazy Susan. It rotates out. Oh, how organized is this seller? Oh, then more notes and more organization. Tell me you're this person in this world. Tell me you are. I am not. This seller has done it perfectly. The perfect presentation of her perfect kitchen. What are your thoughts? Do you love it? A seller who understood.
So that is a seller video, right? So I'm talking to home sellers. It says attention home sellers on it. And it really catches their attention because look at this. 47,000 people watched that video and they had all kinds of comments. Let's look at the comment section really quick.
Seller who.
The comment section. They're talking about the spices. They're talking about the, I think I'd have to hire the previous owner to organize my kitchen. It's too beautiful, right? All kinds of people are in the comments over here, 36 comments of talking about the beautiful kitchen and going back and forth about if they're IKEA cabinets and if they're not, right? So if you want to talk to home sellers, talk to home sellers and do it using voiceovers. Every time I show a house, I am scouring that house, trying to figure out what's different, what's weird, what's cool, what the internet will like. Every house I show. And you're thinking, but Liz, aren't you paying attention to it for your home buyers? Yeah, I am, but I can do two things at once, and so can you. So I have my camera out and I have it ready. And when they're looking at something, I'm off looking at something too. I want to create content that helps buyers and sellers. And I know this stuff is the stuff that works. Voiceover is showing something cool on the internet. Now, I made this video a year ago and I reposted it this year. It got more views this year than it got last year. I want you to start to think, what can I share with the world that would add value, that would be fun, that would teach somebody something? As I go through these videos, this one's, I'm holding a KV Core training tomorrow and I'm helping real estate agents, right? I'm helping real estate agents again. Then I have this little series going. This is like so outside of the box.
Lessons from Sunday school. The armor of God. This one had all kinds of cute stuff that you could do with it. Little people putting sticky things like little, over here getting ready for primary tomorrow. So what I do to teach singing time is that I put numbers in the back of these. There's a girl one and a boy one. So we'll have numbers in the back of these, and the numbers correspond to a song that we're learning for the primary program. And then the kids come up and they pick, whoever sings the best comes and picks one of these out of a little bag, and then they get to put it.
I know you're thinking to yourself, Liz, this has nothing to do with real estate. Like, what are we doing today? Well, something I do every Sunday is I teach primary, which is the kids at church. I teach them how to sing. And then I also teach the 5 and 6-year-olds in when it's time for lesson. And I share what I learn every week, what I personally learn and what I taught the kids every week. So it's lessons in Sunday school. And I'm always shocked at A, the comments I get, and B, when I see people, when I read and when I meet them on my challenges, I meet them in real life. This is the video they bring up, the lessons in Sunday school. They also bring up this kind of video. Let me see if I can find it really quick. I haven't made them lately. There we go.
If you're not dicing up your leftover vegetables for your chickens, I don't think you're a real chicken mom. Next level of chicken moms, when you go out to eat and there's leftovers on the table, you know you're not eating, but you take home anyways for your chickens. Gold star, you've made it. But the question is, if you're not dicing up.
A couple things about that video. So I have chickens, and kind of my shtick in this world is that I I'm not really a country girl, but somehow I married a guy who is, and we live in the country on 40 acres and we have chickens and my daughter rides horses and I'm in this world that I never thought I'd be. And so I share my journey of chickens and they all have names and sometimes they die and then I have to cry on the internet and it's a whole thing, people. But guess what? When I cry on the internet, it's okay because these people have been following me for years and they know the chickens' names and they know the journey. Like they've seen the chickens from the baby and now that they're grown up and then they've been here for 4 years and sometimes they die. Oh, the drama, right? So I want you to think of your TikTok profile of a snapshot of your whole life. Who are you talking to? If I don't know anything about you other than you're telling me 3 tips about how to buy a house and 5 tips about getting your house ready for the market, I don't know you. But if you look at my profile, you know that I have chickens, you know that I go to church. Whether you do or not, I don't care. But this is me. This is what I care about. These are the things that make me the you-iest me possible. Yes, the you-iest you possible. That's what I really want you to think about when you scroll through your own profile. Like for instance, there's this.
I'm going to share with you my honest experience attending one of Tony Robbins' events and whether it's worth it for you to spend $2,000.
Noah and I are not the same. Do I think you should spend $2,000 to see Tony Robbins? Yeah, like tomorrow.
Like tomorrow. I love Tony Robbins. I'm obsessed with Tony Robbins. I've been there not way too many times. It's never enough, right? So you'll see that if you just scroll through the first, 20 videos, you're going to know all about me. I help real estate agents. I love video. I have chickens. I'm married. I go to church. You know all these things about me. So I want you to go back to, it could be your Instagram account. It could be your Facebook account. It could be whatever account you love, the account that you're babying right now. I want you to go to that account and I want you to go through it and think about if Liz came and looked at my account, what would she know about me? Would she know that she needed to care about me? Would she know what my life was like at all? And the types of videos that you make to create that are day in the life. Tell me about what you do on the weekends. Tell me about what you like to eat. There's a video in here about the protein shake that I sometimes get, and I mix it with coffee, and I put it in one of those big Starbucks cups, and there's a whole thing. And now people make videos about the drink that I make. It's a wild thing. The internet. It's a wild thing. But the key to making TikTok work is that people need to know, like, and trust you, right? And you do that by creating videos that are you. This video right here. Like it's wild, right? Like I was dancing on the internet in my car to some human that I don't know. I don't know that human. I've never met him, but he seems pretty funny, doesn't he? He does. That was fun. I want you to think of TikTok as a fun place. I want you to show up as the fun version of you. If you need some help with TikTok, I'm happy to be the person that helps you with TikTok. I have all kinds of free stuff on TikTok. Again, you can go over here and one of these playlists is how to TikTok. I have video challenges. I have accountability calls. I have all this stuff to help you, but I want you to know there's so much free stuff in this little link. It's actually labeled free stuff. And it'll help you go from not making videos to making videos to making videos to making videos that actually make you money, which is why we're doing this thing. It will help you grow your business. It has changed my life forever. The combination of EXP and TikTok, life is completely different and it'll never be the same. And I want the same thing for you. If you have questions, reach out to me. My name is Liz Brown and I'm happy to help. Thank you for your time and I'll talk to you soon.